Hello everyone! I'm going to show you a great trick to transform this simple broken wire soldering iron into a powerful, versatile tool. I'm plugging it into the power source, but this soldering iron is broken, so it's not getting hot. The initial step is to carefully disassemble it. I'm using a screwdriver to remove the tip and then to detach the internal components. I need to remove the internal heating element because that's the core component we'll be repurposing. I'm going to continue taking it apart, completely separating the yellow plastic handle from the metal casing and removing the entire power cord. This is important because we won't be using its standard electrical connection anymore. Now for the key component, a discarded spark plug. I'm selecting one from my collection. Now, I'm taking a red electrical wire and stripping a small section to expose the copper strands. I'm connecting this stripped wire end to the center electrode of the spark plug. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Next, I'm introducing a spark plug. Its ceramic body makes it an excellent insulator and a durable housing for our heating element. This provides a compact and well-insulated shell for the heat source. Next, I will apply strong electrical tape to prevent accidental wire breakage or short circuits and to ensure the spark plug is securely fixed inside the heater. Good insulation is crucial for safety. With the internal wiring done, I'm carefully reassembling the original yellow handle. This ensures a comfortable grip and protects the internal components. I'll secure it with a screw, making sure everything is snug and stable for safe operation. Next, I need to prepare a crucial element from a small discarded battery. I'm carefully stripping away its outer casing. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Inside, there's a carbon rod. I'm carefully extracting it using a pair of pliers. This carbon rod is going to be the heart of our new tool, acting as the heating element due to its high electrical resistance. To make this carbon rod truly effective for precise work, I'm securing it into my drill and using a piece of sandpaper to meticulously sharpen its tip to a fine point. This sharp tip is vital because it will allow for extremely concentrated heat, perfect for delicate tasks. To create a secure, I'm disassembling a terminal block to get a small brass connector. I'll screw this brass connector onto the spark plug. Next, I will insert the sharpened carbon rod into this connector and tighten it. I'm stripping another red wire to prepare the spark plug wires. I'll attach one end to the remaining open terminal on the small brass block that holds the carbon rod. At the other end of the red wire, I will attach it to the threaded part on the spark plug and tighten it. This completes the wiring for the heating element itself. At the other end of the long red wire, I'm stripping the outer insulation and attaching a washer to it. Now, for the negative terminal and ground wire, I'm preparing a blue wire. I'll strip both ends and securely attach one end to an alligator clip and a sturdy washer. The alligator clip is essential for making a good connection to the workpiece. The washer makes it easy to connect to the power source. For power, I'm using a common Makita drill battery. I'll connect the red wire with the washer to the positive terminal of the battery and the blue wire's washer to the negative terminal. This setup completes the circuit and powers our newly transformed cordless soldering iron. To demonstrate its versatility, I'm placing a small AA battery onto an alligator clip. Now, with my newly made soldering iron, I can easily solder the metal strip to the AA battery, demonstrating its strength and precision. The concentrated heat makes quick work of these materials, proving its effectiveness as a spot welder. It instantly melts and adheres the metal piece to the AA battery, perfect for small electronics projects. I'm preparing a piece of blue electrical wire, stripping off the insulation and twisting the two wires together. I use alligator clips to attach to the twisted ends and touch the soldering iron to the copper wire. You can see the copper inside heat up and melt, quickly joining the wires together, demonstrating the immense strength it provides. To demonstrate its strength, I'm placing a metal screw and bolt on a piece of wood. Now, watch what happens when I touch the sharpened carbon tip to the screw. See that? Instant sparks and intense heat. It quickly fuses the metal, acting as a highly effective miniature spot welder. But it's not just for welding. This tool is also great for precision cutting. I'm securing a piece of aluminum foil to a wooden block. Watch closely as I use the heated carbon tip to melt through the foil, allowing me to draw and write the word "like" with incredible ease and precision. This showcases its versatility as a thermal cutting or engraving tool. Our incredible multifunctional tool, transformed from a simple soldering iron and a spark plug. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.